Welcome back to my channel House of Electronics. I hope you all are doing good, and so today I'm going to install this new M.2 NVMe SSD on my laptop. That's the Lenovo S145, and it has got the Ryzen 3. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to unscrew these screws and remove the back panel. This is the M.2 NVMe slot. NVMe will fit here. I hope you can see me zoom it. The sticker side should be on the top, so you just need to insert it. I'll just get a screw for it. Plastic body is coming in between this. To just make some changes, I can cut this off. Now I'll fit the drive. Yes, now it fits nicely. So I have got the screw and managed to fit it. What I have done is I have put a small nut which is of bigger size. It's working as a spacer in order to fit the hard disk properly. Actually it is a bend, it was bending a bit without the washer, so I have put this nut. I will show you. You can see the nut over here. You can see the nut. I'll just quickly turn it on and see whether it is detected or not. This Lenovo has this small, this when you put a pin inside, there is a switch, small push to on switch, which directly takes you to the boot menu. I have switched on the, you can see the options: normal, startup, BIOS setup, boot menu, and system recovery. So you will go to BIOS setup, so to check whether the hard disk has been detected or not. So you can see here hard disk 2 consistent NVMe S6256 GB hard disk has been detected. So now I'll quickly boot up the system. It will take some time. I'll fast forward the video. So I'll quickly go to disk management. You need to just press Windows R. It's DISK MGMT MSC. So it opens up the disk management utility. So now it is showing it as disk 1, and you can see it over here. It is asking you to make a partition, and it says you must initialize a disk before logical disk manager can access it. Select disk. So I have selected disk 1, which is the NVMe, the consistent SSD, and it by default it has selected GPT partition. So so I will go for the GPT partition, and it is now showing as unallocated. I wanted to migrate my operating system and see how it will perform with the same configuration and same number of applications. So if you want, you can install a fresh OS on the new partition, and it's up to you. In order to migrate the OS, you need an extra application. You might have heard about that application. That's the mini tool partition wizard. Download the version 10 because the newer version is a paid version, So you can go ahead and search for mini tool partition wizard version 10